Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a quick video on this TechMatte Apple Pencil charging cable 3-footer. It's basically a charger for your Apple Pencil, because I hate the fact that you have to do this. Stick that in there to charge your Apple Pencil. This is the worst design ever. Like, what in the world, Apple? Really? You kidding me? Anyways, enough of that. This is the unpacking. Let's see. This is the package it comes in. Just basic plastic. Already made in China. Yeah, made in China. Alright. Rip that off. Okay, what's inside here? You get your cable. It has your typical USB cable and the slot for to slide the Apple Pencil in. So there you go. You just plug it in there instead of under the iPad, and then this you plug it into your dongle, just like that. And then let's take this, plug it in there, and my pencil, plug it in there. Simple as that. I don't know exactly how many hours it takes or minutes it takes to charge yet. This is the first time using it, so I'll let you guys know. But let's see what the package says while that's charging. Where we get warning, register your product, unlock 24-month warranty, and tells you to go to TechMatte website, and then TechMatte would love to hear from you. 3 easy steps to submit a review on Amazon. So there we go. So this video is going to be uploaded to Amazon, I guess, with some other information. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a link in the description below. Check that out if you want to pick one up for yourself.